Greetings adventurers, we've got another great unboxing video here for you guys. And this is part of my series, you guys have seen some of it, of my quest to kind of become more historically accurate for the channel's sake, for better quality, and for education and things like that. And you guys have seen one of them on my linen tunic. I also got this wool tunic. It's pretty new. I really like it. You guys didn't get to see that. There's a bit of issue with the footage, storage, and things like that. Anyway, we have another unboxing video, and this one is really special because this will take my historically accurate game kind of up quite a few notches. You guys will get to see this. So let's just jump right into it. We're just gonna rip it open. So we have actually two garments here. And this is from a company called Medieval Enterprise. They're a reenactment clothing company, small, I believe from Canada, and they're a super small company. But anyway, this is what I have from them. So we have a paper here that I shall show you now. And what this is things I ordered and things like this. So this is telling me about how I can fit the clothing better to my body. These are the orders. So what I got first are these green linen hosen, which go on your legs. They're single hosen, so single legs. And we have here our brays, so medieval underwear. Essentially, practically linen shorts. And here we have the garments. So both of these are hand woven. We have these lovely hand woven linen brays with a drawstring. So like I said, these are essentially white linen boxer shorts, and they have a drawstring, so it's practically one size fits all. And as you can see, they're very big, as they were historically. Super, super big, and super easy to make. Very big, very baggy, very nice, as you can see. Medieval underwear. Awesome, that's great. Now, we have linen tosses, or linen hose. These are also hand woven, super pretty green, as you can see. Super pretty, and I love this bit of wrapping paper design. I'm gonna keep this because this looks super cool. So here are the linen tosses. So as you can see, they come with string to attach it to the brace, and they have a foot, because a lot of medieval pants, essentially, what these were, tosses, have feet on them. So they're essentially long, single hose, which is what they are. So these are, as I said, my steps to becoming more historically accurate. And just to show you guys, these berets come with, right here, these little cloth eyelets to attach the hose with the string onto the berets. So if you guys want to see me put them on, I guess we shall, for the sake of the video. By the way, really sweet penannular brooch that I made. I'm really proud of it, actually. There's my little penannular brooch that I made. So, welcome to the ground where you will see chicken legs. Very nice. Very glorious. And not historically accurate socks, but does that matter that much? I don't think so. So first, the berets. Alright, so now that we have it semi-tight on my hips, I shall tie it around like so. Alright, so we have the braids tied up, and now for the hose, which probably don't fit me, but we'll see. So one, and it doesn't say which leg it is, so you kind of just left guessing here. Alright, so I believe this is how you tie it off. I put them through both eyelets, and I'm just gonna tie it with a simple shoelace bow tie for now. And if things change, then we shall change accordingly. But that actually fits me pretty well. I just need to figure out how to better tuck in the braids. That fits pretty well. So another great thing about these hose and these braids is that they are machine washable, which is nice, very nice. Makes life as somebody that is trying to, well, somebody who just lives in the modern time period, it just makes my life a whole lot easier. You just push string through the eyelets, like I did before, tie it. So there are the hose and the braids. We're going to garter them off, probably at the knee, put on the shoes, and see how they look with everything else. I put little garters on, I put my shoes on. These are new shoes. Again, I filmed an unboxing with the wool tunic, and I lost the footage. These are really pretty shoes. They're based off of a 12th century find, which are here. Super great. So now I've got my braids, my hose, my shoes, my socks, my garters. I'll put on the little tunic now. So, use the tunic on, everything. Belt, I'll be getting a new belt soon, a small belt knife. I'll be getting a new belt soon. That'll be super cool. I hope you guys subscribe for that. Subscribe for all kinds of cool stuff like this. Historical garb, fantasy garb, camping, combat, music, aesthetic, things like that. Subscribe for that and stay tuned for all of that as well. One last final thing to complete the kit for now. A cloak. So this is a little DIY manular brooch that I made. I didn't film it, but there's the little penannular brooch. Toss that over my shoulder, and we've completed the look for now. We'll get full body shots in just a sec. So for now, this is the updated kit in hopes to be more historically accurate. You guys, reenactors in there, feel free to pull me apart the quality or color of the wool tunic or anything like that. But here are the braids, hose, linen tunic, wool tunic, braided belt, belt knife, shoes, cloak, and annular brooch. I had to put this into full to up and down. I don't know. In this frame because I couldn't get a full body shot otherwise in the space that I'm filming in right now. This is it for now. I might put leg wraps on here. I'm getting a new belt. There will be updates and very soon. Stay tuned for all of that. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. All of that YouTube stuff. And until next time, farewell.